Hey y'all. So I'm looking how I look today. But today is like a do it yourself, let's work together and create some stuff type of vlog. So I bought a heat press and we're gonna try and make a shirt. That's what we're gonna try and do. So we have what is this? The Teflon sheets. No, I forgot, it's like 5 or 10. No, it's a set of 3. It's just 3 of them. 3 in here, got it on Amazon. You put this on top of the shirt, on top of the transfer paper. You know what I'm saying? And then you close it. So we got our Teflon sheets. You know, we got the transfer paper for the dark t-shirts. We got some transfer paper for the white t-shirts and the light t-shirts. Let's look. Boom! We got the heat press popping off right here. And this is the image that we are about to try to print and put on a shirt. Okay, so I just put some new ink in. Look, I bought this Epson. I bought this a couple years ago, but then I ordered the heat press off Amazon, and I was like, hey, I got a printer. Let's see if that joint work. So I just went and got some new ink cartridges or whatever, because it kept saying one wasn't reading. So went to Walmart, got the ink, and we're about to bust down this photo. So let's try it out, you guys. They came out so right. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? I was thinking I want to make sure that my pictures came out super popping. Like I was gonna order a whole new printer. And goddamn it, I don't think I need to. You know what I'm saying? So we got these little tank tops. I got a little sweater. You know, called a little sweater. I'm gonna put this on. Called a little half sweater. You know, and then we got another one of these little tank tops that we gonna heat press it on. Little tanks. See the tanks? Okay. So yeah, we got our picture for one of the sweaters. We're gonna put that. Just in case y'all didn't know, these are voodoo talismans. You know what I'm saying? This is a love talisman. This Papa Legba. I mean, but this is somebody that you have to meet him at the crossroads and give him an offering. All this stuff is some voodoo stuff. You know what I'm saying? We putting talismans and all types of other shit on these shirts. And this was a painting somebody did on Instagram. You don't think I'm gonna take y'all Instagram photos and put this shit on shirts? You damn right. You got some good art. It's on a shirt. It's mine. So, y'all, I'm letting this heat up. It said to let it get 380 Fahrenheit for cotton. So, that's what we doing. Where we at? 260. Okay. We'll be back, you guys. We'll be back in a second. So, wait. Now, the instructions. It says, you know, when you cutting around your photo, leave a little tab of the paper so you can pull it off. So, you know, I'm going to cut around, but I'm going to leave a little tab so I'll be able to pull it off. I'm going to show y'all in a minute. But we finna whip these shirts up and, this shit's going to come out tight, G. It's going to come out tight! All right, y'all. So, it's time. It's time. We cut this out. We left a little tab. So, we finna try it out and get it popping. We got our Teflon paper out. You know what I'm saying? So, let's do it. Okay. I'll place this perfectly in the middle. Perfectly in the middle. Perfectly in the middle. All right. All right. Woo! I got the one that swivel. It swivels. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm scared. I'm not even gonna jack. I am definitely scared. Okay. No, that wasn't right. That didn't do it. It's just still on the paper. It's still there. But I just want to know that we fuck up somewhere. That's all. That's all, G. Because this is definitely... Let's try it. Let's read some more instructions at the same time. Okay. So you need an inkjet. Okay. Get all that. I'm not what tab. Let me see how you figure A. The transfer from the backer will be cut off before the transfer process. I think I messed up anyway. I feel like I was supposed to cut real close because anything, it could be white. Let's see this work, y'all. No, not yet. Not yet. I'm gonna look some stuff up and we're gonna try this again. Hold on. You cut the tab off, or you leave a little tab, but then the tab, it shows you the separation between the paper that's going to stay and the paper that needs to come off. So you pull the back off first, you guys. You know, people like me, I don't read. I mean, I read, but when it comes to shit like this, I just think I automatically know how to do it. Clearly, I don't. So, here we are. Okay. Yeah, straight. Okay, let's get to peeling. Separation. Okay. Oh, no, you straighten yourself out. Straighten yourself out, buddy. Lay down. Straighten out. Straighten out. Okay, you guys. So we got it. We took the back off, and we still got the. Now we just got the transfer ready. Okay. Took us a minute. So make sure you cut that little tab off now, or that's going to be on your shirt. The little tab you left. Okay. Oh, this should be straight now. Okay. Woo! We're gonna make it straight, you guys. All right. 15 seconds. 3/8. Man. Okay, you guys. Let's do it. Let's do it. 15 seconds. And we got the timer set. We got it set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Uh-oh. Oh, you guys. Okay. God damn it. What the fuck? Shit done stuck to the motherfucking paper. Or did we not do the shit long enough? What the fuck do we do here? Where do we go wrong? Where do we go wrong? Where did we go wrong? Or was it not down long enough? I don't know. I don't know. This shit is stressful. I mean, goddamn, should I just use an iron? I don't know. We'll be back. Figured it out because I'm slow a little bit. So obviously, I don't even know why I did that. So when I put it on there, I put this on the shirt face down with my full ass. I mean, clearly, if it's going to be on the shirt, it has to be face up. So that was the issue. It was face down and stuck to the fucking paper. So I need to hang this shit on the wall or something because this is now a picture. I mean, so we're going to hang that somewhere. We're not just going to throw that away. So we're going to grab us a new sheet of Teflon. I mean, yeah. We got a new sheet of Teflon. And we got some shit printing. Another picture. I don't know if I'm going to use this one now because it's kind of yellowish. And I mean, you don't really see the... I don't know. We might just print a whole new one. You're using plenty ink, I know that. So, all right, y'all. This one is about to be finished, and then we're going to do it again. We're going to do it right this time. It's going to be the bomb. Printed out another one, but we're not going to use that one. We ain't cut this out, so we're going to put this on there. So, let me do what I do. Separate the shits. This shit is very tedious. Like, nigga, I can't. You know, it ain't like some old easy trying to separate. You really gotta. I'm gonna cut it. You'll see it. It's right there. Like, whatever. Separation is not cool. It's not easy. I got these nails. Okay, boom. We got it. We separated. We got it. We got it separated. Yeah, we got it. Okay. Bam. Okay, y'all. So this time, right in the middle, cut the little tip off, the little end, the little tab we left. Cut it off. Man, at least I showed y'all all the fuck ups. I mean, so don't be like me. If y'all get a heat press, I'm like, well, Courtney showed us. She fucked up a couple times, so you know, I know what not to do. That's right. You know what not to do. Okay, y'all. So we got it centered. We got our little lady smoking her trees. Oh yeah. Make sure everything is flat. This should work out perfect, y'all. All right, let's give it a whirl. Give it a whirl. Ah! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Did we do it? God damn it, y'all, we done did it. We done made the motherfucking shirt. Ah! We did. Just now my little kids be screaming like that. And I'm like, why do y'all scream so much? But clearly they did it for me. But look, y'all, we did it. We heat pressed it. We did it. Ah, he pressed in it, bitch. He pressed in it, bitch. Ah, he pressed. He pressed. press. We did it. We did it. We fucked up a couple times, did it. We did it. Wasted ink. We did it. Wasted ink. We wasted ink. Yeah, so you know what I'm saying? Y'all get a heat press. Y'all find any fly photos on Instagram, Facebook, Google search. You know what I'm saying? You turn that shit right into a shirt. You find some paintings or some art somebody did. Boom. It's a shirt. Just like that. So, you know, we did it together as a family. Yay! Bye, y'all. We did the heat press. We out here making shirts now. So just know, along with the juices, I'm making shirts. Bye, y'all.